Hey, thanks for checking out our channel and coming on this property tour with us. I think you really like this home. I'm curious to know and get some feedback from you in the comments. If you could let me know what you like, maybe what you didn't like, I'd really appreciate that. And meanwhile, buckle your seatbelt. Let's go take a look. Well, I hope you like that property tour. I've got a lot more to show you. If you're interested in building a new home, relocating, moving outside of Utah or even with inside Utah, just go ahead and reach out to me, give me a call. I'm connected with realtors throughout the entire country. And so I've been doing this a long time. I could reach out to them and give you a great referral. I kind of know who's good, who's not good. I know who the good builders are, who to stay away from, and look forward to hearing from you.